just waiting on customers, so it's going to be one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, and 2 at the back. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right guys, first one marked and out. Just go and put the out in it. Right guys, here we go, first one melting. Right guys, window number 2, front bay. Come on baby, light my fire. So we want them guys. More smooth one. One's down up there. I've already got one. Just in that one. And that one, these 2 are going to be into. Guys, upstairs done. 1, 2, and then 1 on there. I've just got to finish there. And I've just got to do that one there, and then that one there. There you have it guys. Nice bit of ventilation. Can't go wrong with trickle vents. There we go guys. There we go guys, another house with the trickle vents. 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there, and then the same at the back. So now the air can blow through the property. Wicked. Another one done by Coventry City Glass.